Hey guys, how you doing? This is a 2011 Sierra 1500. Crank, no start. I checked the fuel pump relay. It's good. I switched it, and it's good. The fuse is good. Has power, no problem. It'll start with ether. Check the fuel rail. If it has fuel in there, nothing. Dry. I'm outside right now in the parking lot because I can't, bring it in yet. I'm underneath the truck right now. Tried to pull the fuel pump harness out to test it. But let's see what the fuel pump looks like. Is it really rusty or in good shape? I'm using my phone right here to see it because I can't see it. Oh boy. Doesn't look too good. So I'm going to check the harness, see if it has power. But anyway, I'm going to recommend new fuel pump and a ring. Is not looking good. Yep. I mean, the truck is in good shape, worth fixing, but it's fine. And then I'm going to ask the guys to help me push it in my bay, and we'll go from there. If you guys like this video, subscribe, like, and comment.